What tree is this? Why is it so strange? Let me try to shoot it.
Manop's arrow shot with unparalleled skill and precision to blind the tree. The beast of the tree was certainly cut off from meditation and moaned loudly. He then moaned loudly, creating chaos in the forest. Manop's horse panicked and ran so fast that Manop fell from the horse.
Oh my goodness, oy, it really does hurt. It really hurts a lot. Really, really hurt.
Oh, you evil and wicked man! You dare to destroy our peaceful and sacred meditation? I will curse you to become an evil and monstrous creature for the rest of your life.
No, please do not hurt me. I beg you, please, I really did not intend to shoot you.
No, we absolutely do not forgive you under any circumstances at all, in any way whatsoever. Take it to the hack.
At that moment, Chow Minop turned into a monster with a scary look. Chow Minop did not dare to let anyone see his look, fearing others would be scared. Because of his ugly appearance, he did not have the courage to return home. He then lived alone and isolated inside the forest with a really tough life by picking fruits to eat for a living all by himself.
Oh, why does my life have to truly live in such misery? Mother and father, dear beloved parents, please, I beg you, help your child.
One day, a parrot broke its wings near the place where Chow Minop was staying.
Ha 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 ha.
Hey parrot, you look so pitiful. Hey parrot, you seem very sad indeed, as I am now. I truly look ugly and cannot really go home to meet my parents because they must be absolutely afraid of me. Maybe even you now are certainly afraid of my appearance.
Suddenly, the parrot knows how to say to Chow Minop that, "Okay, I'm not afraid of your appearance.